What if trash could become luxury?
Millions of bottles are thrown away daily. But here, nothing goes to waste. Welcome to a high-tech recycling facility. Every bottle begins a new journey. Here, 3 massive trucks begin the process, dumping thousands of bottles into the primary hopper.
In this modern recycling factory, the process begins as a torrent of glass and plastic bottles arrive in a chaotic mix of glass and plastic, both broken and intact, ready for the sorting process to begin.
Every bottle begins a new journey.
First, deep cleaning removes dirt. Advanced systems ensure purity.
Even microscopic particles are removed. Smart Machines deep cleaning removes debris and contaminants from the recycled glass. Machines scan every bottle.
Green glass is separated precisely. Glass bottles factory process, modern technology machine, factory process staff.
Green glass is separated precisely. Each color follows its own path.
Perfect organization begins here.
Glass is crushed into fragments.
Powerful grinders do the work. Next, it turns into fine powder.
Different colors, perfect results.
Handled with extreme care. Packed into premium boxes.